Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Knottie Macrame. In this video, I will show you part 1 of how to make this beautiful weaving table mat using cotton cord for your home decor. The tools you will need for this tutorial are a knotting board or a cork board, a pins with one that's different to mark the beginning of each row, a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, large hook tool or crochet hook. For the material, we will need 4mm braided cotton cord. You can also use single strand or twisted cord if you prefer, but I recommend not using cords that are too soft, as your table mat won't hold its shape well. And then cut the following here. To start the project, fold 14 cords in half, each 1 meter long, to create the center part with 2 layers. Each layer we will use 7 cords. To create the first layer, pass the loop of the first cord on the left through the loop of the second cord on the right. And that's how we add the second cord to the layer. Make sure the cord on the top of the second loop is on the right side. Hold the last cord that we just added tightly. To add the third cord to the first layer, pass the 2 ends of the second cord through the loop of the third cord. Make sure the cord on the top is on the right side as well. We're using the same technique to add cords 4, 5, 6, and 7 to the first layer. To connect the first layer, pass the last 2 ends through the first loop. Pull all the cords gently to tighten the first layer. As you can see, this layer has 7 cords interlocked together. To create the second layer, pass the 2 cords from the first layer through the loop of cord number 8. Ensure the cord on top is positioned on the right side. Next, we pass the 2 ends of the 8 cord along with the 2 cords next to it through the loop of the cord number 9. We're using the same technique to add cord 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. To connect the second layer, gently pull out the loop of the 8 cord and pass the 2 ends of the 14 cord through it. Now we pull all the cords to tighten the second layer. We just finished the center part of our design. Now we place the design on the knotting board, tighten it properly, and use all 7 pins of the same type to secure it in place for easy knotting. Make sure all the ends of the cords are aligned and then separate them 2 cords at a time. I'm placing the design on my turntable to make the knotting and showing you easier. If you don't have the turntable like mine, that's fine. Just rotate your design towards you as you work. In the next steps, we will start weaving. First, we fold the 3 metal cords in half, and then pass each loop through the 2 cords of the center. Pin the one that's different from the others to mark the beginning. I'm using the purple pins this time. Next, twist the long cords and wrap them around the next 2 cords. This means the long cord that were on top now will be at the bottom of the 2 cords that you just wrapped. We continue twisting and wrapping around every set of 2 cords until we reach the purple pin. At some point, your long cords might get very twisted. If that happens, just hold one of the cords and start pulling. This will release the twist and then you can continue wrapping later. We just finished the first row of wrapping. Continue wrap another 4 rows using the same technique. Keep the tension steady and make sure there are no space between the rows. The row will finish at the purple pin. We finish here to ensure our design is round and even. Use one pin to secure the last wrap and also remove all the pins from the design. Flip the design over. Then bring the 2 wrapping cords up and cut them about 6 to 8 centimeters, 3 to 4 inches. Then we use a latch hook tool or crochet hook to tuck the 2 wrapping cords to the back. Finally, we cut the two ends close to the wrap. And that's it. We just finished part 1 of making a weaving table mat. In the next part, we will learn how to incorporate macrame techniques into the design. I will see you in the next video. Bye!